G'day folks and welcome back. And a big warm welcome to my new subscribers as well as my old subscribers. I hope you're all doing okay. I'm KC and today we've got another unboxing video. Who could it be from? Let's go and find out. It's Peter at PB's Retro Restorations. He's sent me a box of goodies. This is his YouTube channel, so be sure to go and check him out. It'll be up on the screen and all the links will be in the description below. He's also in Facebook. And here's his Facebook channel, so you know what you're looking for. Alright, let's keep not the suspense being too long. Let's go and check it out. He sent me a box of goodies. How cool is that? Now, he was listening to one of my videos and how Johnny V and myself struggled to get certain castings in Tasmania, and even more so now the reject shop's not selling Matchbox in Tasmania anymore. I don't know if that's the same on the mainland. But anyway, listen to Chet Chat. Let's get it open and see what we got. And here we go. A 1935 Ford pickup. How cool is that? He sent me 3 of those, the Spot Meat Fords. That's cool. Now, a couple of these extra ones that I've got there are going over to Johnny V's channel, so stay tuned for that. Let's get him out of the box. How cool is that? They're absolutely awesome, these hot rods. I love them so much. They are the best ones to rat rod, that is for sure. It is so cool. Thank you so much, bro. I am so appreciative. We've got more than that coming, so he sent us 3 of those. Let's see what else is coming. 1934 Chevy Master Coupe. I've already got 3 of these earmarked for mates of mine, would you believe it? But some's going over to Johnny V as well. Don't forget Johnny V's channel, check him out. But this is from PB's Retro Restorations, so be sure to check his channel out, won't you guys? Right, let's get him out. Have a look at that. Now, aren't these absolutely cool? Now, the paint on these, every single one that I've seen now I've got a few of them, looks like it's supposed to be maybe like it's rusted or something. But it, yeah. Never mind, no doubt the paint's not going to stay on there. We may keep one original, but the other ones I've got to paint up certain colours for other people. Righto, that is so cool. Thank you, Peter. So awesome of you to think of us and do that. That is so cool. Righto, let's keep cracking along. What else we got? A 1933 Plymouth sedan in blue and black. Wow, wow, wow. I love hot rods, as you've probably gathered. Righto, let's get him out. How cool is that? That is going to look so wicked with a nice set of alloy wheels on it, and do all the moulds and all that sort of stuff, and the lights will bring him to life, no doubt about that. Awesome job, PB. Please don't forget to go and check out PB's Retro Restorations, same name on Facebook. Righto, let's keep moving along. An 2006 Pontiac GTO. Now, if you're an Aussie guy, you'll know it's a Holden Monaro GTO in Australia. They stole it off us. Yeah, they stole it. Our ideas, our Aussie cars are in the US under a different name, as if we wouldn't know. Righto, let's get him open. Have a crack at that. And an awesome blue too. I do like blue. My favourite colours are green and yellow. I do like blue though, as you notice, a couple of my jobs have been painted blue. Both of these have already got earmarks. He sent me 2 of these. One of them's for the Die-Cast International Builders, which is the build on the 5th of November, and PB Retro's Restorations is also a member of the Die-Cast International Builders, and it's an Indy Pontiac build. So I'm taking this Pontiac in there because it's a whole Monaro to me, but it's a Pontiac, so we can sneak it in. Good job. Love it. Thank you so much, Peter. That is so awesome of you to send me these down. I am so appreciative, believe you me. I cannot wait until I get this one modified, plus the others. We do have a few more that came from other channels. You'll see those getting modified as we cruise right along. Alright guys, thank you so much again, PB's Retro Restorations. His name's up on the screen. His links are in the description below. On YouTube, Facebook, same name, same channel, same cool dude. Alright guys, thank you all for watching. Please take care, look after yourselves, and guess what? We'll catch you again on the next one. Bye for now.